When they played their song, you guys looked for a long while like you're confused.
Well, yeah, Jovan body slammed Mucky Goon at halftime. I'm sure you saw it. He really hit him hard. You know, that's how it goes out here in Floplevic. You know.
I've been everywhere, man, looking for someone who can please me, love me all night long. I've been everywhere, man, looking for you, babe, searching for you, baby. Where have you been?
That's how it goes out here in Floplevic. You know.